Metamask. So just open your Metamask and make sure you input your password to login. I'm going to pause the video and login now. So after you have input your wallet password, you will see a page like this. Make sure you are on core blockchain and make sure you have small amount of core for you to be able to claim the airdrop. So now click on the navigation bar up there. Then click on browser. Click on browser, this browser. Allow it to load. So you can just open new tab and create new tab. Allow it to load. So in the search bar, so you are going to input the following address. I already added copy, but if you don't have it copy, you can type it https /cordao.org/ and press enter. Allow it to load. So at the top right corner you see airdrop. Just click on the airdrop. Click on the airdrop and accept all the cookies down here. So select your preferred country. Select your own country and confirm your country. So I'm going to reselect just to confirm. Then click on confirm down there. After you've confirmed, after clicking on confirm, select Metamask. Then after that you can click on connect at the down button. Click on connect to connect to your Metamask wallet. Allow the system to connect. So it's going to show up your account like this, which is the core. Then click on connect again. So click on it and follow all the steps. So make sure your core is what is connected. So this is your wallet address. This will show the total balance you have mined so far, and this will show the available that you can claim. So when it is 12 p.m. UCT time, your available that you can claim will be here. Then you can just click on this claim button. You can just click on this claim button to claim your core. But for now it's not available because it's not yet the time. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. As you can see, the available that I can claim is now available. So you just click on claim to claim the available call, and it will be sent directly to your Metamask wallet. Click on claim, allow it to load. First, it was not showing my available balance, so I refreshed the page and try again. And before you see, it is there. So this is the smart contract. Just allow it to load, then you confirm the smart contract by clicking on confirm down below. So to confirm the smart contract, I just click on confirm. So that's the network. Just wait for it before you can confirm. Oh, now it has load. Just click on the confirm button. It will load, and you can claim your call. Yeah. Transaction submitted and waiting for confirmation. Once it has been confirmed, you will receive your airdrop wallet, your call on your wallet. Thank you very much for watching.